Good evening, you all. In this tutorial, as a spoken English teacher, I have given you many different topics, and I do believe that you will try to explain about your viewpoint related to the topics as what is given to you. First and foremost, you know what is much more formal. You have to give your introduction, then try to play about your role as what you have already prepared for. So let us start. Who take the initiative? So as an initiator, I would like to come.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, all guys. So I am Anindo here. So today our topic is all about the government sectors and the private sectors, which is better for us. Living in a country such as India, we getting a lot of facilities, but here also, in spite of that, we having a collision between two different sectors, and that is government and private. So today in our discussion, we try to clear the misconceptions which has taken place in the mind of our society, and we will also clarify the facilities, beneficiaries and the problems which is appearing by dint of government and private sectors both. So first of all, as saying to government side, I would like to start with educational facilities provided by our government. We the students in government school, we have to pay a low amount of salary, and by dint of that we are economically helpful by our government. Not only that, a lot of institutions were there where the povertyness affected poor children are given education. All India Institutes of Medical Science like AIMS, it also given the best educational quality to us. For that reason, we are getting the best quality of education, and also the facilities like gaining free uniforms and cycles also providing by our government by dint of gaining the education in our government schools. But it is not all end. If we take a glance look on the services, then you are so much secure than the private sectors in government. As an example, I would like to enhance the topic into the COVID-19 last year. Last year, where a lot of employees has lost their job, has a tension in their mind that I will not get the salaries, and povertyness were there also. Then the government sectors who are permanent, they had no tension in their mind, because of if they lost that service, then they will get the pension, and they are the permanent staffs, so therefore the government cannot deduct them from their jobs. So tension free working, plays an important role in the such atmosphere like devastating epidemic has been covered in our whole of society. Not only that, the medical sites and medical councils like ICMR, the full name is Indian Council Medical Research. It was the only site and only medical council who provides us all the notification and informations in COVID-19 during the last year. So by dint of government, we are getting a lot of helps, but we had still a lot of misconceptions by our government, and we are just trying to clear all the concepts to that.
Okay, please. Carry on.
You know that private sector is whatever the services they provide, that is called premium category.
Okay.
But as government sector that they provide, that is called not premium category, lower category. You know that especially in private sector that they provide their services, that is faster, easier, and they also take care the thing that they send. And I also give an example, that is in post office. If you send your envelope or parcel to post office, then they take the time that is much than private courier sector. People are now faster and easier because of today we are running through a digitalization era. So we cannot wait for much more days. So for that reason, people accept the private services, and that's why they also paid the huge money for them. And I think day by day, private sector will grow in our country, and new startup will be established in our country and develop the services, and they also provide that services that can be sufficient for the people, and especially in the hospital sector, where we see that in government hospital they have no much more taking care, and patients who admitted in the hospital, they are the doctor or the nurses, they not take care properly. But as like as you go in the nursing home, they also give them best services. So for that, the day by day, the admitted of the patient in totally in one corner, that is private sector, and especially in our generation, now government also takes some initiatives, and they also privatize some sectors, as like in this current year our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman also declared that the government also privatize some sectors, as like BPCL, Shipping Corporation India and Air India, because they are loss making company. So if government not get any profit from them, then government cannot run it from a year of year. So year after year. So privatization is important, because if you take and want better services, then privatization is very much important for the development of our life, and also this is much more important for us.
So hi guys, my name is Shambhu Chadia. So today I would like to straight dive into what are the beneficiary point of government services. It may be in education, it may be in health, it may be in job, but I would like to highlight some of points of government services. First of all, talking about the most three necessary things of living. First thing is education. In government education or government structural education, you got better chance of research, as in a detailed education. When you thinking about some higher education, then in a practical based education like medical or engineering or something others, you should know about the practical, you have to be aware with the practical knowledge more than theory. So the government offers you more and more chances to develop yourself, to have a research with others persons. It may be others qualified scientist or something like that. So they give you a proper atmosphere to work in a real place, how it could feels. The next thing what I would like to say, that better chance of higher education is there. Actually the different types of exams conducted by central government in whole over the India, that provides you best to best, back to back best colleges for education in various fields. The next thing what I would like to talk about health. Actually in government services, government hospitals provides you actually maintenance of your health at a very low cost. Actually the affordability what we are talking about are too much in the government hospitals, and whereas we all know that if we are talking about private hospitals, and they are just doing day out like robbery. So in sending there, in particular that situation, government hospitals play a very important role, especially in the middle class and lower middle class families. The next thing what I would like to say, not only in health, in every field of staff, there is no manipulation with the quality of the staff. Actually when we are talking about any government sectors, they have to pass through a very difficult exams in their field. After that they got a job in government services. So there is no compromisation with the quality of the staff in any of field. Next thing what I would like to say about the jobs. In jobs, we all know that there is a security if we maintain a minimal regulations, rules and regulation. There is a very good job security throughout my job year, and not only that, after my job life, after my retirement, there is whole full package of security there with my executing my whole life with my family with a good benefit. So that's the important thing what we could rarely found in government services, in private services. Sorry, sir.
Private sector.
And next thing, what I would like to say, in case of transferable job, we both have transferable jobs in government and private sectors. But in government sectors, when we are talking about transferable jobs, the government provides different. They provides house. They provides different types of house
House allowance.
as allowance. Actually, they provide such
Traveling
a accommodation to don't feel you that you are separated from your home. They rather to give you a
Security
environment
and
that feels you are in the home and doing for your government, for your nation. So that's a important thing.
Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I would like to come to you.
So the topic name is government services versus private services. We all know which is the main core services we get on both end, like education, hospital services and job services, etc. First of all, I want to say about private services. We all know private services means we pay first and then you get the services instead of paying big amount of payment. Like in nowadays, we all know where the educational service is good. Everybody knows where the educational service is good, and private school are better than government school because in there the educational quality are so good, as well as we can also learn the universal language is English language. And if you look at that, in my school, when I ask for my teacher, where you get the admission from your children, they will also say, I will give the admission from our student to my child in private school, but having in government services. And also we get the good services from private hospital or nursing home because of their cureness and also their cleanliness are over there also show their nature why we are pay for them. Not only that, in case of private job where we are develop our mind by watching the present situations and also create and give the innovative idea to our company to see the more growth of our company as well as be a good icon in our company.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So hi friends, my name is Jit Mondal. I am a student of coaching. So now discuss the topic the which sector is very good or very secure. So first of all, I would like to say about the point of view of the government sector. Government sector is very secure. Every sector, every service is very much secure. Is talking about the job. Getting a job in India, government sector like winning a lottery. So it is very important to get a job in government sector, but it's not quite possible. My all friends have said about the government services and the government sector. Governments are very secure, but I think the government employees taken as a granted because when they get a job they think about win a battle, so they not provide some proper services to the public. They are assigning for the public sector, so they provide the service towards the public, but they are not serious about their services. They are not serious about the thing. So that's why the kind of think of point that it is the decrease the ability of the sector in the every corner. So it is not taking the serious. Then I have a question to all of my friends that you know about the IIT, IIM. We all know about that. But how many students who are from the government school or government think of the government sector who are get admission in the IIT or IIM? Mostly they are coming from the privatization. So what happened to students? They are not get admission in the IIT or IIM. The education, the poor quality of the education, and not only the poor quality of the job. You have the security in the job, but you taking at an advantage and you misuse the advantage and provide the bad services to the public, and public was totally angry. When yesterday, totally is my current experience. Yesterday I visit and the government hospital. I standing in the long queue. I was standing in the long queue, and it is near about the 5 to 6 hours. And when I the front of the reach to the end of the queue, and I see the government employees totally slow, totally dismanaged about the computer. Even I tried, they type the T like a beginner. what's happened when the quality is not checked, when get job in the government service. Quality is compromised. The always not every sector like a PWD or any IIT teachers or the high class of the teachers, then the quality not compromised. But in the lower level, it will be compromised the quality. They get job from the get a bite to the any government sector officer. So it is very much easily in the lower front of the job sector. The government has some poor visibility in this era.
Thank you very much. Now I would like to come to you. Your conclusion part, please continue.
So now it's a time to clarify about the private in the sense of private sector. So first of all, in jobs and in works, in private sectors you have a lot of freeness. In government sectors you have a lot of rules and regulations and you have to maintain it. But in private sector, as like you have two wings like the bird to fly in the open sky, and you have the independence of getting for innovative ideas, and you can do in front of you, and you can prove yourself as your intelligence. Not only that, the seats like in hospitals, like in schools, the educational and the hospital seats are more there in private sector. As a report I have ever seen in last year in our news channel, when the devastating epidemic came due to COVID-19, then they have showed that private hospitals have more seats than government hospitals, and private hospitals giving the best qualification of services, nursing services to the peoples. Not only that, in education you have a lot of facilities while getting education from a private schools, as like the projectors, as like the equipments, computers, etc. The modern technology and education, you can got all the facilities and beneficiaries from the private sectors. And not only that, the better maintenance what you can get only from the private sectors. As an example, I would like to prove here about the airports, like in Bombay airports or Bangalore airports. It is not under the government, but under government airports like Delhi, like the Calcutta International Airport, there has no maintenance like those airports which is under some big companies and etc. So therefore, in maintenance, private sectors are more advanced than the government sectors. Not only that, in economical sides, economically private sectors are more strong than government sectors. So therefore, so that private sectors have a lot of ideas of implementation in infrastructures to getting something new, to building something new and improvement for our own society. So that's it.
Okay. Thank you very much. Now I would like to come to you. Please continue.
All the government sectors are not bad, and not they are much more casual. As like I also give one thing that as like army, defense sector, they when they recruited the new soldiers, they also strict, and all times they also scheduled a schedule, and that must be strict. And each and every time they are careful about their job.
Our selection.
And that's also monitored by the government. And I think all the government sectors will not be bad and not be casual. Like IIT, Kharagpur and others, they also provide the proper facilities to the students for the development of their skill and their knowledge, especially in the mechanical and technical sector.
Yeah.
And by this way, they also increase their innovation power and develop their knowledge in future. So that's also a good thing for the government. And one of the company, that is National Highway Authority of India, that is government undertaking, and they also develop the highways for the construction of the road, and by this way our country also developed. And ISRO, Indian Space and Research Organization, and they also send rocket or space to shuttle to the space, and they find a new thing and innovative thing. By this way our country will become a superpower in the space sector.
Okay.
And I also want to tell one thing, that all the sector will be, if all the sector will be privatized, then one day our country's control will be go to the private players. So that's not be desired, and that not be good, because
For the progression of development.
for the progression of the development. But privatization is important, and but
Government need to take
government need to take the thing. And my last thing, last word, what I tell you, that the whatever private company provide to us, that is not suitable for the lower category people or middle class people. That is totally for the rich people, but that not sufficient. If they consider the thing, and the
All
as
kinds
per
of
the
categories.
reasonable money they provide, they taken from us, then all the things, the people and other, they also accept it. So that is
And also services also become very much.
very much.
So now I think it is my turn to demonstrate about the things about private sectors here. So first of all, in private sector, what I would like to discuss about education, that in education you got a better chance of placements, because after genuinely passing college of a middle class family, one thing, the
Hungry for job.
yes, they have a hunger for job, and they want to be the pillar of their family after their parents. So economical fluency should be there, and for that reason there are two options, either jobs or business. So when we are talking about jobs, they have to be educated, and after college they have to search for placements. So in private colleges you have better placements policies. It is from the private companies there, and you got a better package there. So private education center provides you that facility. Next thing is acquire what the better technology. Even in today's corona pandemic situation, we understand that how much a tablet, a laptop or a mobile value carries as the pen or paper carries. In today we understand that not only the old traditional style, even modernization through education is very important here. So that's a thing what actually private sectors have already pushed through all of the students, and I personally believe that in throughout whole of the corona pandemic situation, the private sectors or the private education centers have performed way better than the government one, because they are already actually aware with this technology before us. Next thing what I would like to think about, that health of private sectors. Actually, when we are talking about any type of hospitals or health center, one thing we have struck in our mind, that is hygiene. Yes, hygiene is one of the most important key role of a building of a hospital, and in especially in private hospitals, there are way better hygienic way than the government one. So hygiene is most important thing here. Next thing what I would like to say, caring, because actually the workload of a private hospital is limited, but whereas in government hospital there are way and way of patients than its limitation. So in private hospital there are not too much pressure there, so the staffs can take attention to detail to every single patient. So that's a very important thing for caring and for regulating anyone's health. The last point what I would like to say about the jobs, actually in private sectors you got a better salary. It is a obvious thing, you got a better salary from government jobs, and salary may be one of the most important identity what matters in today's society. It is a rough talk that before your anything expectation, your money, your salary comes, because if you want to deal anything during your society, you need that thing, that money, and I think private sectors are the most better way that can provides you money when you are actually selling your duty. So that's the thing. And next, last thing what I would like to say, that scope of development. You got a rare scope in your government service to develop yourself, whereas in government jobs you got different types of even exams to develop yourselves, revenue, generate different types of revenue, and so that you can develop throughout your skills and also your salary. So that's
In
it.
case of private
In case of private jobs.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, now I take a part of government services. When we listen about the government services, one thing came in our mind: the services are totally free for us. Like government hospital, where we get the medical and hospital services properly. Government hospital are not extend only rural places; it also extend in city places. We all know West Bengal create their self as a village places to city places, but povertiness are not removed by the way. For that reason, we all need the government hospital services. Not only that, we get the services of sweeping from government sector, not from private sector, as well as belong from government school. Especially, I know in that point of time the importance of these services. Not only me, whoever are get the benefit for these government education services according their financial circumstances, they very well know. As well as we also see our dream of getting government job, even belong from private school or private education, they also see on their dream by getting job in government sector. So think about the security of don't lose their job, also getting good salary, or also keep the gesture of government job. And the last thing, in my own point of view, I want to say, we all pay money to both end, like government services by paying various tax, and also pay money to private services to getting their services. So first you should think which is best for you according by pay your money, and then you choose what is suitable for
Very
you.
good. Thank you very much. Now I'd like to come to you.
So my turn is come to the talking about that private sector. So private sector means the huge sector. We think about that it is costly, but even I say that if private sector to take a money from you 1 rupee, only 1 rupee, they will provide the same service equal to the 1 rupee. And then if you are employing private sector, they will provide a money according with your experience and the quality. In government sector, the government provides salary to your posts, but in private sector, the organization pays salary to your preferences, your quality, your experience, explode. Okay, in government, in private sector, you have lot of opportunity to get overfill and explore yourself in lot of the various area, but in government sector you have no possibility to explore yourself in the various areas. So it only the thing. And the private sector, the education is much more highly conscious about the matter of the private sector, because we know that the modern system that is very much challenging situation we face. So in this time, that if you not capable for anything, you will be eliminated from the society. It is proper thing. You are not educated, then you not get any kind of job, or that's the matter of the government job or the private job. But in the proper education, we admitted our child in private sector. We not looking for the government school, because we know about the quality of the education. The bench of the education is totally poor, and that we only hunger about the government job, not the government services, because we think that the government services kind of that very slow, like in the Indian transport system. It's very much ill. And we think about the government has no government has the procedure, have the plan, but the implementation is not totally fulfilled. The organization, because they are not proper controlling is kind of the disagree in this, because that the organization sector or the disorganized sector is totally different. That's why our government is the jump to step up in the privatization, because he has some the new government look at the quality and the importance of the privatization, because some sector, railway, rail, or another sector, LIC, is running in losses. They gain much more losses. So it is totally the time to change the mindset about the Indian public, because the private sector, it's the totally wrong thing that it is happening last decade that you have no security in the private sector, but now it's totally changed. You have any capabilities, you have some qualities, then you are still with your job. And I know some peoples, they enhance their salary during their lockdown because they have some ability, they have some quality. You have still your job with your qualities, not you're the security. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving your performance, and all of the participants. I would like to thank to you for your own participation and also giving your contribution, especially on the topics as what is given to you. All of you really